Have you ever considered canned chicken as an emergency survival food? It's a question that might not cross your mind until you're in a situation where you need a reliable, nutritious, and long-lasting food source. You see, when it comes to emergency preparedness, having a well-stocked pantry can make all the difference. And that's where canned chicken comes into play. It's not just a convenient choice for quick meals on busy weeknights, it's also a survivalist's best friend, offering a wealth of nutrients and a shelf life that's hard to beat. Plus, its versatility in cooking is a major plus, ensuring you won't be stuck eating the same meal day in and day out. But like any food choice, it's not without its considerations. Join us as we delve into the benefits, storage considerations, cooking ideas, and potential drawbacks of canned chicken. This could be the knowledge that tips the scales in your favor when survival is paramount. What makes canned chicken a popular choice among survivalists? The answer lies in its many benefits, which we'll explore now. Firstly, canned chicken has a remarkably long shelf life. Typically, it can last anywhere from 2 to 5 years. This longevity provides a sense of security, allowing you to stockpile this protein-rich food without worrying about it spoiling quickly. Next, we have the nutritional value. Canned chicken is a powerhouse of protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health, especially in times of crisis. It's also low in carbohydrates, making it a vital part of a balanced diet in survival situations. Then there's the convenience factor. Canned chicken is fully cooked and ready to eat, requiring minimal preparation. This comes in handy during emergencies when cooking facilities may be limited or non-existent. It's a quick, easy source of nutrition that's ready when you are. The versatility of canned chicken is another significant advantage. It can be used in a plethora of recipes, from hearty soups and stews to refreshing salads and comforting casseroles. This flexibility helps stave off meal fatigue, which can become a concern during extended survival situations. Lastly, canned chicken is easy to store. These cans don't require refrigeration until opened and can be stacked conveniently in pantries or storage areas, making them a space-efficient option for long-term food storage. So to sum up, canned chicken's long shelf life, high nutritional value, convenience, versatility, and easy storage make it a popular choice among survivalists. It's a reliable, ready-to-eat source of protein that can be stored for years and used in a variety of meals. As we can see, canned chicken offers several advantages, making it an excellent choice for emergency food storage. It's a practical and nutritious solution, ready at a moment's notice when you need it the most. In survival situations, having food like canned chicken could make all the difference. It's not just about convenience, it's about preparedness, resilience, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're ready for whatever comes your way. How should we store canned chicken to maximize its shelf life? That's a question worth asking and knowing the answer to, especially if you're planning to use canned chicken as part of your emergency food supply. The first rule of thumb is to store canned chicken in a cool, dry place. This doesn't mean it has to be refrigerated, but a pantry or basement that maintains a steady, moderate temperature is ideal. Fluctuations in temperature can cause the metal of the can to contract and expand, which could potentially compromise the seal and lead to spoilage. Also, avoid areas with high humidity, as moisture can cause the cans to rust over time. Rust can weaken the can, making it prone to leaks and bacterial contamination. If you live in a particularly humid area or don't have a suitable storage space, consider using plastic bins to protect the cans from moisture. Now, even though canned chicken has a long shelf life, generally between 2 to 5 years, it's not something you can just stash away and forget about. It's crucial to keep track of the expiration dates. A simple way to do this is by using a first-in, first-out system. This means you use the oldest cans first and the newest ones last, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. And lastly, before you crack open a can of chicken, always inspect it for signs of damage. Look out for dents, rust, or bulging, as these can be indicators of spoilage. If a can is damaged, it's best to err on the side of caution and discard it. Remember, proper storage of canned goods is just as important as the quality of the food itself. Ensuring that your canned chicken is stored correctly will help maintain its nutritional value and longevity, making it a reliable and ready-to-use resource when you need it most. With these storage considerations in mind, canned chicken can indeed be a reliable part of your emergency food supply. Wondering how to incorporate canned chicken into your meals? Well, the possibilities are endless. Canned chicken is so versatile, it can be used in a variety of dishes, adding both flavor and nutrition. Let's start with a classic, chicken salad. Simply mix canned chicken with a dollop of mayonnaise, add some finely diced celery for a satisfying crunch, and season to taste. Voila! You have a quick protein-packed salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Next up, let's talk tacos. Who doesn't love a good taco? Use canned chicken as your filling and pile on the toppings. Cheese, lettuce, salsa, whatever you fancy. A delicious meal in no time at all. For those colder days or when you're just in need of some comfort food, canned chicken is perfect for a hearty chicken soup. Combine it with a rich broth, your favorite vegetables, and some noodles. It's a comforting dish that'll warm you from the inside out. Casseroles are another fantastic way to use canned chicken. Whether you prefer rice or pasta, just add your canned chicken along with your choice of vegetables and sauces. Bake it all together and you have a filling, nutritious meal that's sure to satisfy. And let's not forget stir fries. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor, stir fries are a great way to incorporate canned chicken into your meal rotation. Just toss it in with your favorite vegetables and some soy sauce, and you have a dish that's not only delicious, but also quick to prepare. As you can see, there's no end to the ways you can use canned chicken. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a multitude of dishes, making it a valuable addition to any pantry. So whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting to build your emergency food supply, don't overlook the humble can of chicken. With these cooking ideas, canned chicken can indeed add variety to your meals during emergencies. Are there any potential drawbacks to using canned chicken as emergency food? Even though canned chicken comes with a plethora of benefits for survival situations, there are a few potential issues that deserve attention. Firstly, let's talk about the sodium content. Many canned chicken products contain added sodium, as this helps in the preservation process and enhances flavor. However, high sodium levels can be a concern, especially for those who need to monitor their salt intake. In survival scenarios where staying hydrated is paramount, the high sodium content can be a potential problem. Therefore, it's always advisable to check the sodium content on the label when stocking up. Secondly, we must consider the texture and flavor. For some, the texture of canned chicken might not be as appealing as that of fresh chicken. The same goes for the flavor. Because the chicken is cooked and stored in a can, it may not have the same taste to which you're accustomed. However, choosing high-quality brands can make a significant difference in this regard. Lastly, we have to consider variety, or rather, the lack thereof. Canned chicken is incredibly versatile, yes, but relying solely on it can lead to monotony in meals. In long-term survival scenarios, meal fatigue can set in, causing decreased appetite and morale. It's always advisable to diversify your emergency food supply with other proteins and food groups to ensure a balanced diet and maintain interest in meals. In conclusion, while there are a few potential drawbacks to using canned chicken as an emergency food, these are minor when weighed against the numerous benefits it offers. High sodium content can be managed, texture and flavor differences can be adjusted to, and meal variety can be achieved by incorporating other food items into your survival pantry. While canned chicken has a few potential drawbacks, the advantages far outweigh these concerns, especially in emergency situations. So, is canned chicken a good option for an emergency food supply? We've delved into the benefits, the storage considerations, cooking ideas, and potential drawbacks of this versatile food option. We've seen how canned chicken boasts a long shelf life, provides essential nutrients, and offers convenience in times of crisis. It's a highly adaptable food source that can be used in a myriad of recipes, and its storage needs are relatively simple, making it a practical choice for many situations. That said, it's also important to consider the sodium content and the potential for meal monotony. These factors underline the importance of a balanced diet, even in survival situations. Always remember to inspect cans before use, and keep a first-in, first-out system for your food supply. Whether you're a prepper or just looking to prepare for unexpected events, canned chicken is indeed a valuable addition to your emergency food supply.